As you can imagine, it was a messy commute for people this morning with multiple inches of snow and sleet sticking to the roads. 22 News reporter Katrina Kincaid is live in West Springfield with an update on road conditions.
Flakes very fast, but it's not really accumulating as much right now. The biggest worry when it comes to the conditions outside is just how much slush there is because of all the sleet that then came down after the snow on these roads. Now, earlier this morning in Northampton, it was not good at all, especially in the early morning before the plows really got out there. Mass DOT even at one point lowered the speed limit on the Pike to 40 miles an hour once that fluffy snow was really hitting heavy on the ground. But plows have been out all morning long, keeping people safe. We spoke to one plow driver about what it was like this morning. What's the morning been like? How's it been?
Very bad. The weather is not good at all, and it's cold, and it's snowy, and we've had issues with machines, so, you know, regular work stuff. Because
it is harder to stop when it's snow and slushy on the ground. Also, remember to brush the snow off the top of your car. We have seen some police out and about today. It's against the law in Massachusetts to have all that snow on top of your car if you're out, and it's also a potential hazard to other drivers. So just make sure to clear off your roof before you come out here. Working for you in West Springfield, Katrina Kincaid, 22 News.
Our live team coverage continues in Chicopee now. 22 News reporter Taylor Knight is live outside with a look at the conditions right now.
Yeah, it's still lightly snowing out here in Chicopee, but looking at Chicopee Street right here, you can see blacktop, the entrance ramp to 391 behind me here. You can see blacktop. This is much better than it was this morning. During our morning news, that snow was coming down so fast and heavy, the plows couldn't even keep up. The roads were totally snow covered earlier. Then it went from that fast falling snow to sleet as the morning went on. And once that changeover to sleet happened, you could hear it bouncing off of windows and cars. When I was outside, I could hear it bouncing off of my jacket and it was hitting me in the face. I could feel it. And because that fluffy light snow fell first and then the sleet came after, it's going to be really heavy to shovel. So remember, lift with your legs and not your back while you're out there shoveling today. And when you're snow blowing, keep your hands away from any moving parts. 22 News will also be tracking the road and weather conditions tonight on 22 News starting at 5. Working for you in Chicopee, Taylor Knight, 22 News.